Just some salmon stuff.
Some light salmon stuff. Hey y'all, I'm Haley.
And I'm Ryan.
And we're at the Brewing Happiness planning table?
Yeah.
We're workshopping it, I don't know. Anyways, this is a series where we're gonna talk through a scary or unfamiliar or intimidating grocery store item, or we're gonna plan out something for the grocery store. We're gonna do a lot of things here, but today we're gonna talk about smoked salmon, which to some people may be unfamiliar. You may not know exactly how to pick it out. So we're gonna kind of demystify all of that, and then we'll take you to the grocery store with us. We'll show you what we're gonna pick out and why, and then hopefully this makes going to the grocery store and picking out items that may be unfamiliar to you less intimidating for our recipes and then recipes across the board.
Yeah.
Let's start with the fact that there are two kinds or two ways to smoke salmon, hot and
that's
cold.
right. So yeah, hot and cold smoke are the two ways, and they're kind of exactly how they sound. Hot is smoked at a higher temperature, so you're gonna have more of like a cooked fish product end result.
It's smokier in flavor, yeah.
It'll give you a stronger smoke flavor, and then yeah, you'll have the texture of a fully cooked piece of fish because it will be. Cold smoke is a slower, lower temperature, so it's gonna be in there for longer, but it's not gonna look or have the texture of a cooked piece of fish.
Okay, so it's more like a sushi salmon, like a...
Yeah, exactly. It would be something like that.
Okay.
Or lox if you're at a deli.
Great. Cold smoke is your preferred method,
Yeah, I go for the cold smoke because the lower temperature preserves more of the good parts, the healthy parts of the fish.
Great.
You're gonna keep nutrients intact, you know, all of those good healthy fats, the omegas and all that.
The second piece to talk about is wild caught versus farm raised. Wild caught is generally caught from near Alaska. It's a sockeye salmon usually.
And it's a smaller fish eating more vegetable sort of diet. So it's gonna have a lot more of those nutrients that we're keeping intact.
It's just like a fish in the ocean living its life.
It's doing its thing.
Someone catches it in the wild, hence the name wild caught. Farm raised, on the other hand, is basically like salmon that is bred for production. It's not necessarily the most natural diet for a salmon or for you to consume after the salmon has consumed it. Almost always recommend wild caught. We just think it's healthier for you generally. And if we're talking about the environment, it's definitely better for the environment. And then finally, the other thing we want to address is added sugars.
Right, so both hot or cold smoked salmon is going to go through a seasoning process, and a lot of times there'll be sugar added, which is not necessarily necessary.
There are basically two ways to preserve smoked salmon. One is salt and the other is sugar.
It's also going to be like sugar and salt. It's not going to be fully like sweet salmon, but you don't need the sugar added to it. The salt will give you
it does it all
of
on its own.
those.
Equally as delicious.
Yeah.
It's just unnecessary. So when we go to the store, we're going to be looking for a wild-caught, cold-smoked, no sugar added salmon. So we're going to head to the store, show you where we find it, show you what brand we grab, and then hopefully this makes buying smoked salmon less intimidating of a process next time you go to the store.
For sure.
Let's go.
All right.
So today we're shopping at Whole Foods, which has a great smoked fish section, so we thought we would show you around a little. The first couple that we picked up actually had sugar in them. You can see it right on the label, cane sugar. It's kind of unnecessary, so we decided not to go with these options. This is what hot smoked salmon looks like. Just wanted to show you quickly. It's definitely more like a whole piece of salmon as opposed to this cold smoked. This one is farm raised, but right below it is a wild caught cold smoked salmon. This is Whole Foods brand. On the label you can see that it's only preserved with salt, which is great, so we decided to go with this one. Hopefully this makes your buying process a little bit easier next time you're in the store, a little bit less confusing. Till next time, we're making healthy happen.